SINGU is a leading CAFM software that transforms property and facility management with smart, data-driven solutions built to optimize logistics and warehousing, multi-site retail and commercial real estate. Our platform transforms property and facility management designed to solve commercial real estate challenges. Fragmented data, inconsistent operational standards, rising maintenance challenges, and outdated systems. SINGU is a central platform that gives you complete control over your portfolio with powerful features to improve efficiency, reduce costs, enhance operations, and increase tenant satisfaction. Automate tasks, streamline workflows, and drive efficiency while cutting costs. Reduce equipment failures with preventive maintenance. Extend asset lifespan and avoid costly repairs. Ensure compliance and operational excellence with digitized inspections. Detect issues early and resolve them faster. Gain full visibility over your portfolio data and capital expenditures. Plan, track, and optimize budgets. Manage vendors with ease, improve collaboration, monitor performance, and ensure quality service. For over 15 years, SINGU has empowered companies to enhance and optimize their portfolio operations. With over 200 million square meters managed on our platform across 35+ countries, we deliver proven solutions tailored to the complex needs of commercial real estate. Our expert implementation enables seamless adoption across multiple stakeholders, with tailored configurations designed to meet your specific needs and maximize ROI. Take the next step towards smarter portfolio operations. Book a demo today and experience how SINGU can transform the way you manage your properties. SINGU, your partner in real estate operations.